Hey guys, today I have with me the Infinix Note 11. The smartphone offers a 6.7-inch AMOLED display having a pixel density of 393 ppi. Infinix Note 11 has a bezel-less water drop notch display. On the right spine, you will find the volume rocker and the power button. The power button also works as a fingerprint sensor. On the other side, the phone has a SIM tray. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack, and a speaker grill. Infinix Note 11 comes with a 50 megapixel triple camera setup. Also, you will see the Infinix branding at the bottom. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now, let's get into the details about the internals. Infinix Note 11 comes with a MediaTek Helio G88 chipset with 12nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 4GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 64GB, which can be further expanded up to 512GB. Infinix Note 11 offers a 5000 mAh battery. Coming to the camera specs, the phone features a 50 megapixel triple camera setup and includes a 50 megapixel primary camera supported by a 2 megapixel depth camera and an AI lens. Also, the phone offers a 16 megapixel front camera with a dual LED flash. The software version of the Infinix Note 11 is Android 11 with XOS. So guys, that's it for Infinix Note 11. Thank you so much for watching this video.